Experience the ultimate in luxury with your newly installed neoprene seat covers, custom fit for your Toyota Camry. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrests, and a center console cover. The rear set has 5 pieces and includes a solid seat bottom cover, left and right bolster covers, and 2 backrest covers to accommodate the 60-40 split seats. Begin by removing the front seat headrest. Then, from around the back and under the seat bottom, disconnect the original factory seat flap. More on that later. Each seat bottom cushion has foam push bars on one side and an elastic loop on the other side. Make sure to feed the buckle strap through the elastic loop before connecting the clips together. Now, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seat. Feed the buckle straps through the crevice to the back side. Grab the straps, stretch them underneath the seat bottom and to the front. On the driver's side, push the buckle clips between the molding of the seat and the cushion. Pull out the buckle clips from underneath the seat, then connect the buckle clips together from under the seat. Tighten and secure. On the passenger side, simply connect the buckle clips together and tighten to secure the cover to the seat. Now use the foam push bars and insert them into the side crevice of the seat base, then tuck the fabric in to secure. Next, stretch the backrest cover over the seats. Push the fabric and 3 elastic loops through the crevice of the seat bottom. From the rear and under the seat, pull the fabric through the crevice tightly. Then begin attaching the metal hooks provided to each loop. Now stretch each loop under the seat bottom and connect the metal hooks to the frame underneath the seat bottom. Now connect the flap underneath the seat bottom and secure it to the frame. Locate the 2 elastic loops that are attached to the backrest cover and attach metal hooks to each loop. Then stretch each loop under the seat bottom and connect the metal hooks to the frame underneath the seat. Now tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Before reinserting the headrest, you can slip the cover on while holding the headrest firmly against your chest. Now fasten the cover by connecting the flaps together with the hook and loop adhesive sides. Then reinsert the headrest. Next, slip on the front center console or armrest cover for a complete look that warmly accents the front bucket seats. Now, completely remove the rear bench seat bottom by pulling upward on both the right and left sides. The metal clips on the seat bottom will pop up from the plastic inserts and free the seat. Now, open the trunk and release the right and left levers to fold down the rear sections of the bench seats. Next, slip the seatbelt straps from its holder so they do not get in the way of rear installation. Now, to install bolster covers, you will notice 2 foam push bars and 3 hook and loop straps attached to the fabric. Push the foam push bars around the plastic and attach the hook and loop straps to the side bolster, inserting the fabric into the crevice around the plastic frame. Now, before placing the backrest cover on, make sure to roll up the fabric to eliminate the hook and loop straps from sticking to the seat. Slip the cover over each section of the rear backrests and over the non-removable headrests, making sure to stretch the fabric down the length of the backrests, and making sure that the seatbelt strap is not tucked under the cover. Next, push the flaps of each section through the crevice to the back side. From around the back side, grab and pull the flaps firmly away from the crevice and stretch the fabric onto the back side. Now, unroll the cover with the adhesive side and fasten it over the flaps to secure the cover in place. Push the seats back into an upright position and secure the seatbelt straps back in place. Now, stretch the seat cover bottom over the bench bottom and line up the cutouts with the straps and clips. You will notice 3 adhesive straps, 5 buckle straps, and 4 elastic loops with metal clips. Now flip the seat bottom upside down and begin to secure the cover. First, feed the buckle straps through the elastic loops on the left and right sides. Connect all 5 buckle clips together, adjust and tighten. Connect the elastic loops to the foam underside with metal clips, then fasten the flaps with hook and loop adhesive sides. Now flip the seat bottom back to its upright position and pop it back into place, making sure to tuck the fabric securely around the seat controls for a real professional look and snug fit. Available in neoprene fabric with a diamond stitch pattern design and in luxurious faux leather. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.